My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Nelly fans don't come out to come give Onyeka better woto over her recent behavior with money, and also same Nelly fans don't come out to come insult Kassia and her husband over their poverty lifestyle. So as we all know, Kellyrea now win the prize of the Big Brother Naija No Lose Guard season money. And since he come out, he and the wife come out, their fans wey be say they call K squad don't carry their matter for head for a very long time. Their fans, they give them clothes, they give them so many gifts. So you can't get this particular fan where we say donate 500,000 to double K when they come outside the house. The fan now can't go open a private space with some of her people where we say they can't they discuss certain things about the fan base, double K fan base. But wetin the fan no know be say one particular person for there dey record their conversation, so she can't record the conversation, can't go post and give the double K fans. So according to that particular fan, the fan dey explain to say e get the time wey be say she dey for their wetin they call am WhatsApp group, and they talk about how they go take donate money for Kassia and her husband. She said the thing don't tire her because now so donate they donate for Kassia and her husband. Say Kassia and her husband they not even want put in the work to hustle, to even do any endorsement deal, to even try to even do what they made they do. They use Nelly as example. They say see Nelly na person wey be say even though to say her fans they do for her, you they see say she they try for herself with her dressing, her hair. The girl is very classy. Say but Kassia depend on everything for her fans, both clothes where she they wear, handbag, eyeglass, everything. She they wait make her fans wey be say BK squad buy her everything. Say it's giving poverty mentality. Make una listen to wetin the fan talk for una sef.
Different winner. Do you know about people that also like voted for double K just because they didn't want Wandy and Honey to win?
Yes,
People.
yes. Really give them time. Then I'm like, what the fuck are you people saying? Kassia has been out of this house for 1 month. 1 fucking
But
month.
this
What have you
thing is
been
that
doing?
you have even gotten somebody to help. The thing you just have to do, like you're trying to help. Okay,
The
style.
point
Okay,
is she
do you
doesn't
need
want
a
to
makeup
spend her
artist?
money to do makeup. She don't
Hmm.
like. Did you see like the second, like, wasn't on the second day won this thing? The Insta blog carried that they said she was going to pay for clothes of 90K. That she was like, where am I going to see it? I'm not a
Oh, I
celebrity.
saw
Did you
that
see
video.
it?
I thought it
Like,
was
why
even
do
a
you let just
joke.
your fans to you? Is it you people that are giving Nelly money to do glam, to do her hair, to do all those things, using expensive makeup versus dressing up, looking good? Is it you people that are giving her money? No. But you have to spend money to. Do you understand? Like, you have to
Yeah,
fucking look presentable. Brands are
especially in
watching.
Dan
Like, you're
Lagos.
just
Yeah.
like, it
You
does not
must
make any
package
sense.
yourself. You must
Like, it
package
does
Exactly.
not
You
make
have
yourself.
to
any
package
sense at
yourself.
all.
There's no two ways about it. You
Yeah.
must package yourself.
You're not
Real.
even packaging yourself at all. Oh, mommy, I just got
Yikes.
tired. I'm like, I'm done with this fan base, and I left. I'm like, God forbid. Like, what's all this nonsense? No, I just left though. Like, I'm done with these people.
The thing they pain, sha,
And I
especially
even
where
thank
you.
God that I left. That it was after I left that they didn't want to give that 12 fake designer, be 30 shoes, be what?
No,
Tola.
when I go ahead.
No. Later.
Okay.
That was why Uzo
Steph,
had
hope you're
to
checking
tag
this
me
place.
that
So,
day.
Trust me, I'm checking. I'm
okay,
checking.
okay.
Yeah.
Because
That
I
was
was
why
also
Uzo had
scrolling
to
through.
tag me that day. That is like that she was like, how can my good sister be in this fan base and they're gifting her faith? I'm like, no, on my watch. You give my faith 12 where
No.
God forbid.
Tola.
It's sure mess.
To fuck do everything for
So
you.
now don't
Is
hear
it you
the
people that are
conversation now. So after this voiceover leak for internet, Kassia and Kellyrea fans they can't come together, come they table the matter. So make una listen to how they react to this new expose. I mean an expo where be say one of their ex fan base stan talk about their fave.
Just hold on. You people should rest. It's not looking good. You don't look good, though. Make you not look good. I don't fucking care. Big love, make her finish with her one talk. Make her finish. You know what that lady said? She did the same thing to. Remember what she said? She also did for you guys. Big love, she did the same thing to Sissy. Sissy's own, she even dragged Sissy and disgraced her with the TL. She is not coming to do the same thing to Kassia. It cannot be every year you'll be doing this madness. If you want to go to the hospital and check your brain, go to the hospital and check your brain and stop saying rubbish. She as in Big love, let me tell you everything she said yesterday. Let me tell you the part that pained me. You opened your mouth, your gutter mouth, and you said that Kassia and Kellyrea is breaking poverty mentality. What did we do that is wrong that every other person on this TL of BBN has not done? What have we done differently? Have not done. Exactly. People are giving their face money. We did the same thing. So how is it poverty mentality? Is it today that it is happening?
The truth be say, wetin I no go support na the fact say when fans donate money for person, they go wan dey dictate how the person go live a life. The girl no force anybody to donate money. Kassia and husband no force anybody to donate money for them. Fans donated money because they felt like na so it always be every year. BB Nigerian fans dey always donate, even the ones wey be say they sell their land just to please their faves. They have been doing it. None of the housemates forced them to do am. Kassia on the other hand, the girl not tell una say she come from a rich family. She and her husband not tell una
Fans to
say she
fucking
dey
do
live a
everything for you.
luxurious lifestyle. They have always been simple, even when they come inside Big Brother house. So I not see the big deal where they for inside say she must compete with Nelly. Una no know how Nelly dey make her own money, all the flashy things where she dey flaunt around. That's why they say not envy anybody, just do your own thing. Anyways, I hope Kassia no go take to pressure make she and husband come finish that 60 million on top say they try to please fans. So onto Onyeka matter, the same Nelly fan wey be say dey drag Kassia and her husband come out to come call out Onyeka. So according to her, she say Onyeka na another poverty-stricken person wey be say anything since she come out of Big Brother house, she dey wait for her fans to do everything for her. Na her fans go rent house for her, na her fans go buy her iPhone, na her fans go make her hair, everything na her fans dey do am. She further explain to say Onyeka na mgbeke because from the last space wey Onyeka have that period, Onyeka dey talk for the space say her fans wey be Onyi stars, na they be the richest, na they be this, na they be Odogwu and all of that, whereas she has nothing to offer. So make una lis ten to the conversation for una sef.
About this thing, like when Onyeka had his space for that's why that thing that she tweeted that she was telling Nelly like welcome to the I'm like, do you think Nelly has not seen 10 million before? Do you understand? Or she has not made 10 million before? Why would you even make such tweets? When she had a space with her fans, like you know that first space they do with their fans and everything.
Yeah.
She just kept hammering on, oh, honesters are rich, we are rich, they have money. I'm like, what the hell is all this? Like it does not even make any sense. Like, do you understand? I was so irritated. Like that was all she was just after.
Onyeka.
She was like, oh, Anonitas are rich, we are rich, we have money. Well, I'm like, what's all this nonsense? When she now came to tweet that, when she put out that tweet about that Nelly zone, I'm like, what's this
Oh yeah,
foolishness
welcome
about?
to the millionaire
Welcome to
gang.
the uh
I even saw it as a joke. I didn't even know
uh
that this conversation happened on her space because when I saw that, I was like,
I
oh,
didn't know.
Yes,
I
Yeah.
get the whole.
go and listen. Like she's like, oh, thank you. That we honesters, we are not like them. Honesters are very
Really?
rich. We have money.
Steph,
Yes.
Alex Bones, Steph.
Hmm.
Eh?
Fling.
No, I want her to remove this person.
No,
What this
no, no,
one?
Alex is my
Oh,
friend.
okay, okay.
Oh,
Oh,
you know
I know
Alex.
Alex,
Alex.
sorry,
Okay,
my
Yeah,
B,
yeah,
my B,
Alex.
love, sorry.
okay,
Hi,
sorry.
Alex.
Because I saw the account is a private
Yeah,
account.
private accounts
No,
scare me.
no, not Alex.
Yeah, they also get me
Hey,
very
three
decent,
three
especially when
anonymous
there's a
listeners.
behind
Hey,
me.
hey, 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 hey.
I was like, it was just very like, why does every conversation have to be around money? Like, you still legit have to work for your own money. Do you
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
People, they are like, this is their ad-end money, and you just want to sit there and you just want, like, you can't spend your own money to make money. I'm like, that's
And
We
he
are
ridiculous.
can't,
not
he
ready
can't,
And
he
with
that's
can't
that.
and
keep,
that's
he can't
why
keep gifting you if you're high though.
they will always insult Onyeka to date that, oh, like she cannot do anything outside her fans. Like she has to listen to her fans. Like if they tell her she should delete something or she shouldn't do
And
anything because they're the ones sponsoring her.
and to be
And true,
honest,
because
money is a spirit.
yeah,
Steph, make me co-host. Make me
No
co-host
wahala.
so I can be doing this thing. So I'll not be calling you every time.
it does not even make any sense at all. Like,
Oh, I don't think I can
You
remove
can't
them. Oh.
fling people.
Please,
But
Wetin dey shock me for dis conversation wey Nelly fan dey talk about Onyeka na the fact say I think say Onyeka and Nelly dey be friends, dey do fake friendship abi na wetin? Since dem come out from the house, Nelly don throway her friend and her padi wey two of dem follow enter inside Big Brothers wey be Nelita. Don abandon that one just because Anita go wish Sean happy birthday. Since that time till now, we never see Nelly for Anita comment section anytime she post picture. We never see her like any of her pictures since that time till now. Even though say Anita still dey follow Nelly for IG, just think say they get some bad blood between the two of them. Nelly on the other hand come migrate towards Onyeka. They come become sheep. They come form sister mans the way Kassia and wetin be her name, Victoria form sister mans. Anyway, they talk at us say when breeze blow, phone yansh go open. So maybe breeze don't finally blow. Though the fans don't they eventually they come out, they can't speak the truth about their mind because they just they pretend since they say Kelly wetin be her name, Nelly and Onyeka they be friends. My own be say none of these housemates force anybody to donate money. If the housemate they get special treatment from their fans is because their fans feel say they deserve them. So I not see anything wrong for inside anyways. Una take care, una bye.